Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, April the 27th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. And the room is open Monday to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for the test drive. The test drive starts on May the 11th, goes to May the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. You'll actually have the weekend before. That's the 8th. Actually, you'll have about Friday, a couple hours after the market closes on Friday, you'll have access to the program. And so what the test drive is all about is for $8.99. You'll have access to 2 weekends plus those 10 trading days, and you'll have access to our full premium service. And we do this 4 times a year, so we don't have free trials, but this is about as close as you're going to get. Also open to those of you who have a standard service, a standard subscription, and you want to upgrade for those 10 trading days to try out our premium service. So when you click on that link, basically what you're doing is you are pre-registering. So please don't ask our poor support people, hey, where's my free data? Where's my data? I don't have any data. Your data does not start coming in until May the 11th. All right, well, today another very, not a big trading day for me, but just patience. I actually said in the room today that I'm finding that some of these trades are setting up later and later, 2-3 hours after the market opens. And this is one of them. And my watch list, I have to show you my watch list, was pretty spectacular today again. So there's the Curo at 774. Okay, there was the. Actually, it's an AI alert also. But I actually got into this trade early, and then I got stopped out for I think an 11-cent loss. And then I finally got back in. I kept telling the room, we're going to watch it and watch it and watch it, see if it takes out 8 again. And I ended up taking the trade right here, right around 817 or so, right on that break. I sold some off at 853. And on the way down, I sold more at 874. So I'm not in the trade anymore. But, it was just, and it's a great percentage move. And look how quickly it happened, too. Once we got that volume in, kept saying, wait for if we get a volume burst also on, with the price going up, then that's got to help it. So that's exactly what happened. I mean, look at the volume that came in, biggest volume bar of the day. And so that really popped CURO up. Let's take a look at some of the other ones from the watch list. 960 is at 1062 now. VXRT 385. Yeah, it's a little bit above. I don't think T-Bio worked, but I'm going to stick my alert at 15 to see if it takes it out later on. AVDL 1324. It did get to, no, that's pre-market. I'm sorry, that is pre-market. I don't think that really popped, just a little bit. This one disappointed me just a little bit here. I got into this one not at 1039, and let's see, VXRT is just giving me a sound alert here. Just give me a second here. I didn't get in at 1039. I took it on the 1054 break, and I guess I got a little greedy. It did make it up to 1080, and unfortunately, I got out on the way down basically flat. I was really hoping it would get closer to 11. I love this daily chart. In fact, the monthly chart. Let's take a look at look at the weekly chart. And I was saying in the room that, I might swing this one if it closes well. It depends. If it gets back up to those, up to maybe the 1070 level, I might swing it. But look at all the room on that weekly chart. But unfortunately, I got stopped out basically flat, no gain at all. Let's see. Let's get back to, let me get back to the 15. I just want to show some of the other ones. Sage, no, could be wow, look at that, 3907, a tricky one, but look, you have to have a wide stop on something like this, but look at this, you're going to love this weekly chart. Look at the room it's got. This got beaten up this week, and man, oh man, look at this weekly chart though. Look at the room that it has. I'm not saying it's going to get back up to $72, but wow. OPRT, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, see if it really moved. So there was the alert at 585. Yeah, I mean, look, it got all the way up to 620. CGBD, let's see, 725. It's 743 right now. Codex, 1535. It got up to 1580. I'm not saying these are, I mean, they at least they moved pretty significantly in the right direction before they pulled back. 1106. Yeah, this didn't move. So I will stick an alert back up here, see if it moves at the end of the day. So the watch list really, I mean, performed extremely well. I mean, they're not all rippers, but it has performed extremely well. It's something to watch all day long. And sometimes, you get an alert at the beginning of the day. Nothing may happen. Maybe it pulls back a little bit and then it pops, kind of like the Kuro. Okay, phone, stop it. I hear you. One more and I'll shut it off, sorry. And then eventually it popped up here. Okay, just a minute. Let me turn my notifications off. There we go. So anyway, I want to get back into the room and see anything else going to shake for the rest of the day. So close down my charts, get the watch list up. And again, to follow my watch list, all you have to do is go to New from the toolbar, Channel bar, and Barry's Windows, and you can follow along all day long. One of the nice things about it is it gets you to focus on very few stocks, and especially if you're a new trader, I know it can get very frustrating. Especially if you're in the room, you see lots of different ideas come through. But if you just focus on a few stocks and then start to understand maybe patterns, it'll make your job probably a lot easier. And that is about it. So let me just bring back the capture program. And if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. The link for the free room, I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.